Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Trishna and today we are taking a deep dive into the Masters of Finance at Frankfurt School of Finance and Management. Ranked second in Germany and featured in the top 40 worldwide by the Financial Times, this program offers a flexible learning model plus strong industry exposure, a vibrant city setting, and career advantages. So if you're thinking about studying finance in Germany or just want to see what makes this program stand out, stick around till the end of this video. So let's kick things off with the basics. The Master of Finance at Frankfurt School is a 2-year program fully taught in English and comes with 120 ECTS credits. The total tuition is 39,000 euros, which doesn't include a couple of smaller fees like your enrollment and application. Now, this program is no joke in the rankings. It's second in Germany and among the top 35 worldwide according to the Financial Times. And that's not bad at all for a program designed for recent grads and early career professionals. One of the big draws is its strong CFA and CAIA partnerships, which adds extra credibility and gives you a leg up if you are planning to go for those certifications. Now let's talk about how the program is actually structured and what makes the experience unique for you. One of the standout features is its flexibility thanks to what they call the 3-day model. You attend classes either on Monday, Tuesday, Saturday or Thursday, Friday, Saturday, leaving midweek open for internships, part-time work, networking or just catching your breath. Some weeks might include full week sessions for lectures or company visits, but for the most part, this schedule is designed to help you strike that crucial balance between studying and gaining real-world experience. Now, speaking of real-world experience, Frankfurt School puts a strong emphasis on practical learning. You'll spend a lot of time in their finance lab, which is equipped with Bloomberg and FactSet terminals for hands-on financial modeling and data analysis. The program is packed with guest lectures, workshops, and opportunities like the CFA Research Challenge. They also organize finance-focused conferences on high-impact topics like M&A and renewable energy often. You won't just be sitting in classroom, you'll be working on actual case studies and projects tied to real companies and industry data. And if you've got entrepreneurial ambitions, you'll love the Entrepreneurship Center. It offers incubator programs, accelerated support, and even a tech quarter elective during the 4th semester, giving you a window into Berlin's thriving startup scene. From here, let's shift focus to what happens after all the learning, and that's your career. The Career Services team at Frankfurt School is deeply involved in helping you succeed. They assist with everything from refining your resume to mock interviews, networking opportunities, and connecting you with alumni already working in finance. And the outcomes speak volumes. According to their latest data, 97% of Master of Finance graduates from the class of 2023 landed a job within just 3 months of graduation. The average starting salary, around 76,000 euros. That's a solid return on a 39,000 euros investment. Graduates go into all kinds of roles including capital markets, risk management, corporate finance, financial advisory, sustainable finance, and much more, you just name it. And the list of employers hiring from Frankfurt School is quite impressive. We are talking about Barclays, BNP Paribas, Commerzbank, Goldman Sachs, Berenberg, and plenty more. Many students also work part-time during the program, which is where the 3-day model really shines. It allows you to gain valuable work experience while still staying on top of your academics. By the time you graduate, you are not just armed with a degree, you have got industry contacts, hands-on experience, and the confidence to walk into your first job fully prepared. Now, if all that sounds great, let's go over to what it takes to actually get in. The admission requirements include a bachelor's degree with at least 180 ECTS credits, which is equivalent to 3 years of bachelor's education in India. You'll also need strong English language skills, a 90 on TOEFL or 7.0 on IELTS will work, and a solid quantitative foundation. When applying, you'll need to submit transcripts, your CV, proof of English, and either a GMAT or GRE score or take Frankfurt's own BT Methods admission test. There's also a 100 euros application fee, and once you're accepted, a 350 euros enrollment fee. On the tuition front, you have got options. You can pay by semester, break the cost into installments with a 5% markup, or go the upfront route and get a 5% discount. For scholarships, Frankfurt offers the Captain Scholarship for women aiming to break into private equity, and students can also apply for the KfW student loan, which is a great option since it doesn't require collateral or proof of income. Now let's quickly touch on the visa side of things, especially if you are an international student. Now, if you're from outside the European Union and your program lasts for more than 90 days, which it definitely will, you'll need a national D visa. Once you're in Germany, you'll also need to apply for a residence permit before your visa expires. And the good news is that Frankfurt School offers support to help you throughout this entire process. Better yet, after graduation, international students can apply for a post-study residence permit, which is usually valid for up to 18 months. That gives you plenty of time to find a job in Germany. And once you're employed and meet the salary requirements, you can even convert that into a full working visa. So you're not just left scrambling after graduation, you actually have a structured path to stay and work in Germany. Now, to wrap things up, let's talk about the city itself, Frankfurt. This place isn't just any European city. It's one of the financial capitals of the continent. You've got the European Central Bank right next door, plus a dense network of investment firms, consultancies, fintech startups, and multinational banks. It's the perfect environment for someone trying to build a career in finance. The city also has a more relaxed vibe than mega metropolises like London or Paris, but with more professional opportunities you'd expect. And if you're planning to work here long term, the school offers German language classes to help you settle in better and increase your employability. Okay, so here's the bottom line. The Frankfurt School's Masters of Finance gives you top-tier education, real-world tools, flexible learning, and career-backed advantages, all in the heart of Europe's biggest finance city. If you're serious about entering the world of finance, this program checks a lot of boxes, and it's flexible enough to fit into your life whether you are working part-time, launching a startup, or driving straight into career mode. Well, that was all for today's video. If this video helped, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future deep dives like program comparisons, scholarship guides, or interview prep tips. And hey, if there's a finance school you want me to cover next, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.